guy who could treat me right. Way oh, boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, I could be the best thing in your life.
Hello everybody, hello minasang. This episode of Sushi Sunday, we're going to explore the fascinating city south of Tokyo, Yokohama. I'm so excited to show you the colorful city, and let's start with the famous Chinatown in 3, 2, 1. It's my first time here in Chinatown, and in Japanese they call it Chukagai, the Japan's largest Chinatown. It's actually located in central Yokohama, and various Chinese stores and restaurants can be found in the narrow and colorful streets of Chinatown. This is Kantebyo, a gaudily colored temple in the center of Chinatown. It's constructed in 1873 and dedicated to the Chinese god of good business and prosperity. Now we're thinking of where to eat because we didn't take breakfast this morning, and this resto caught our attention because they offer only food, most especially seafood, and come on, let's try it out. So yes, the name of the resto is Raw Pekin, and it's all unlimited. From seafoods to main dish, chahang, of course the dumplings with their big sizes, and we also tried the wonton. So yes, that's for it for a lunch. After we ate lunch, we walked through the streets because there's a lot of Chinese stores, sightseeing, souvenir shops, and lively atmosphere. This is one of my favorite shops because it offers handicrafts and introduces all natural materials from around the world, such as Africa, America, and Asia. All handmade with traditional materials, and the culture of each of it can be seen in each product. They sell ornaments decorating the house, sculptures, beautiful light shade clothing, of course, stones, jewelries, and a lot more. なんかありますか？だから浮かんで海行きましょう。だからシェル拾った海行きましょうって牡蠣のやつを。So these jewelries and bracelets from this glass or from this area are made from real stone, and prices ranges from $600 or from 30,000 peso and above. In this area, you can find natural stone but still in good quality. Now we're here at Seaside Minato Mirai District. It is site of the 296-meter landmark tower. Probably my most favorite part of this tour. And yes, since Yokohama is a Japanese city south of Tokyo, it's also famous for its abundant sightseeing spots. And Minato Mirai is a big part of that, which is an entertainment complex with shopping malls, amusement park, and movie theaters. So the shop is famous for its unique omelette, from preparing to serving, and sometimes they do guesting to Tokyo TV. And anyway, outside the building you can walk around and enjoy the Minato Mirai. So outside of the red brick warehouse is a huge park that perfect for family picnic, and some people are catching small fishes near the port while some are just doing chit chats with their friends, families, taking pictures and more. Now we're going to Cosmo World or amusement park, but let's check with another shopping mall which is a world supporter, and it has Disney stores inside, Asian resto, game center, and that toilet. Moms, look at this. And then in the Cosmo World, if you're going to bring your child, the admission or entrance is totally free. All you need to pay is, for example, like food, drinks, and the ticket per ride or amusement game. What I like about Yokohama, although it's a big city or although it's a southern part of Tokyo, but it's a lot more slow paced here rather than the center Tokyo or Shibuya. There's so much to do, see and eat, and a complete whole different vibe. So if you're planning to visit Japan someday, I recommend or suggest that you visit Yokohama as well, because I promise that you will enjoy it. So in terms of parking, since it's a big city and there's no cheap parking available here, we have to pay like 2,300 yen for staying about 3 hours. But still, it's all worth it, and I really enjoyed this trip today.